Hey everyone, welcome to OpenBee, the smart digital exchange platform that will forever change the way you manage your documents. Today in this short tutorial video, we will see how to customize your OpenBee platform with your own company logo, colors, and wording for a professional, branded experience. Let's explore now how to set up your custom branding. To begin customizing your OpenBee account to reflect your company, please log in. Click on Administration, then Customization. Here you can replace the default OpenBee logo with your own logo. In addition, you can define your own color theme, which allows you to implement your corporate identity in OpenBee. You can also set up a custom fave icon, which is shown as an icon in your browser window /tab, and change the product name that is shown on the login screen, header, and emails sent by the system. You can eventually customize the login page by uploading your own picture and upload a web banner as a form of digital advertising for your guests. If you are happy with all your changes, please click Save Configuration. If needed, clear your web browser's cache, cookies, and history to display the changes. Great! You know now how to customize your OpenBee platform. Let's look now how to customize emails sent by the system. When users take certain actions in OpenBee, such as adding a document to a folder or assigning a task, these actions trigger automated notification emails on their behalf. You can add an email signature to these types of emails with additional information. This is frequently used for sharing information with third parties, such as customers, but can be customized to show any message depending on your needs. Let's see now how to customize your automated email notifications. To modify a template, click on Administration, then Email Customization. The left column shows a list of email templates managed by OpenBee. Click on the template's name to view it. Click on the pencil next to a template to edit it. Select the language of the template you want to change. Modify the subject. Modify the email content. In the right column, you will find a list of variables related to the email. These variables are used by OpenBee Portal when sending the email. Please do not modify them. Example, quote, %, full name, %, end quote, will be replaced by John Doe when sending the email to a user whose name is John Doe. Click Submit to save your modifications. Then renew the operation with other templates or in other languages. Thanks for watching this brief overview of the OpenBee software. Stay tuned for new content. Should you need any more help, resources, or information, please check the support section at openbeecloud.com.